God bless you, young person who is listening to this message from the Sound of the Future Ministry. I would like you to take a moment to pause and reflect. In the book of Hebrews, chapter 11, verse 1, we see the word says, faith is the confidence that what we hope for will actually happen. It gives us assurance about things we cannot see. Do you remember how you felt when you were very young and your birthday approached? You were excited and anxious. You knew that you would certainly receive gifts and other special treats, but some things would be a surprise. Birthdays combine assurance and anticipation, and so does faith. Faith is the confidence based on past experience that God's new and fresh surprises will surely be ours. The beginning point of faith is believing in God's character. He is who He says. And the end point of faith is believing that God's promise, He will do it and what He says. When we believe that God will fulfill His promises, even though we cannot see them, His promise will come to demonstrate what true faith is. In Jesus' mighty name, amen.